This is a complete step-by-step tutorial where I will show you exactly how to use Google Affiliate Marketing to go from $0 to $10,000 per month without having a website, without having a large social media audience, or spending money on paid ads.
My response and my reaction to this video might surprise you because I actually agree with the strategy that's in this video. I agree with everything that he covers. I just don't agree with the order that he puts the steps in. And I also don't agree with the obvious hype.
And Google itself generated over $224 billion in 1 year. And you've probably seen a lot of people make money with Google, but there are just as many, if not more, who make money with this platform, but without having their own website. And they're completely anonymous. You may not even know who they are.
So again, this is just obviously playing on the hype of the fact that, yeah, Google makes a lot of money. Yeah, no duh. They make a ton of money. They're they're the #1 website in the world, and they're the hugest or the biggest ads platform out there as well, and everybody wants a piece of that pie. They want to tap into that resource to get their content found. Now, it doesn't matter if you do it anonymously, meaning you use your name, or you build a brand and never show your face, or you completely outsource it. It's really not the point, but it's the point of his video to make sure that you understand that there's a lot of money out there, people out there making all this money. You don't even know who they are, and this could be you too. And then it's rinse and repeat inside of his video, just bringing you up, trying to get you to think that this is going to be super simple.
I will show you everything from the best niches, choosing the right affiliate offers, and how to get traffic for free.
Even though he does mention in the video that it is going to take a little bit of hard work.
So in this video, I'm going to boil down the entire process step by step. And just bear in mind that even though the process is simple, this requires hard work.
So while he did mention that this requires hard work, it did take him 1 minute and 47 seconds to get there. So I took this video, and to do this, all you do is click on the share button, you copy the link, and you pop over to Gemini. So I took the video over to Gemini because I'm going to have a conversation with ChatGPT to break down the steps that he has given you, and then I'm going to give you the steps in the correct order. So give me the steps for the best way to start Google Affiliate Marketing for beginners in 2024. Include the timestamps, and again, I just put in the link for each step, and I say, give me the timestamps for each step after I put in the link, and please explain to me what Google Affiliate Marketing is, because you might not understand that he says Google Affiliate Marketing, and he hyped up the fact that Google makes a whole bunch of money, because they do. But Google Affiliate Marketing is just getting your stuff found on Google. Just SEO. Typical, everyday stuff. So this video outlines a step-by-step process for beginners to start affiliate marketing using Google as a primary traffic source. Getting your stuff found on Google without paid ads, so not paid traffic, utilizing organic search to get your stuff found. Here's a breakdown of the steps with timestamps. What is Google Affiliate Marketing? Google Affiliate Marketing is simply a process of promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through unique affiliate links. It's affiliate marketing, getting your links found or your content where your links are found on Google, so ranking on the search engine. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, which often relies on building a website or social media following, this method focuses on leveraging Google search engine to drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Well, you have to have some place to put those links. It might not be your own website, but it is going to be a website, as you're about to see. Now, here are the steps, and I'm going to give you a different order, and I'm actually going to give you a complete roadmap, step by step, of how to do this by just changing things up a little bit. Because steps to start Google Affiliate Marketing, he says first choose a niche. Identify a profitable niche that aligns with your interests. Utilize the proven step-by-step guide or explore suggested niches like helping YouTube creators. Helping YouTube creators was the niche that he picked. So basically he's saying, check it out. People are making a lot of money on Google or getting found by Google, and they're making YouTube videos telling people how to do YouTube. Those videos get found on Google and or YouTube, and then you put your affiliate link in that video. So his whole angle here is just focus on a profitable niche. Look at the money, focus on the money, and that's going to bring you to where you want to be. Obviously, that's not what I believe. And the next thing up is selecting an affiliate offer. This is out of order. Initially, what you're seeing here is the wrong order. And it also talks about things like creating an avatar, your target audience, choose affiliate offers that resonates with that avatar, consider recurring commissions, which offers for long-term income potential and utilize resources. And he links you out to a site called futuretools.io to find potential affiliate programs. Futuretools.io being all kinds of stuff right now that's going on with AI, looking for products that are out there that have AI in the title. Most of them aren't even AI, but I digress. And step 3 is create valuable content. Then distribute your content. Publish your blog post on platforms like Medium to reach a wider audience and improve search engine visibility. Optimize your posts with relevant keywords and engaging visuals. Incorporate affiliate links naturally within your content. Publish your blog post on platforms like Medium. Do not disagree at all. Actually believe in this strategy, and this is where I'm going to show you that these steps are out of order and give you the correct way and a proven strategy with the steps right now. So what we have here is my affiliating AI blog roadmap, utilizing my proven top strategy of traffic, offer, people. Getting traffic, in this case, from creating content after you pick a topic. The topic is down here. Understanding that you're going to need some tools and understand the technology and the tools that come together, and then the time that you're going to need, just like he said. Remember, you have to create blog posts and you need to post them because your affiliate links are going to be in that content and they need to get found. Then, after you do this part, number 1, after you build this first foundational pillar, then you start to find offer. Then you start creating product reviews on those offers on your blog. Then you find more offers, and then you have, or at that point, you have established pillar number 2. Then you're ready to move on and start an email newsletter and establish the third pillar of any profitable online business. Actually, any real business, any business that is real, like a brick and mortar business. This is really the same thing you need. You need traffic. You need people coming in. You need people to see your offer. And then you need to be able to make sure that if and when people buy, or if they're just browsing, you figure out and you have some type of mechanism to make sure that you can follow up with them. If they don't buy, that's a lead. You need to follow up with them. Make sure that, hey, get on my email list, come back. We have a sale coming. Check us out in the newspaper, or you're going to run ads. Any way to bring them back to follow up with them. In this case, an email newsletter. And then you can automate passive income, and then you can profit and scale your business. 9 complete steps under 3 foundational pillars of the proven top strategy. You need traffic, you need offer, and you need to add people to an email list so you can follow up with them. These are the things that you need to build a profitable online business, not a bunch of hype about how much Google made and the fact that you're going to do Google affiliate marketing and you're going to post your affiliate links and those affiliate links will get found. That's just wishing. That's just hoping, and you think that you're going to go buy a lottery ticket, or you might as well go buy a lottery ticket, because that's all that is. That is just you wishing that this is going to work, and then following that strategy. Now, inside of his strategy, he mentions Medium, and I talk about this here on the channel. It's called Parasite SEO. You need to understand and know the definition of what that is and how it works, and I'll leave a link in the description to a video that I did here to explain this. But this is Medium.com. This is Universe Unriddled. This is for my AI blog, the blog that I've created that roadmap that we were just looking at. So you understand that you're posting these blog posts, just like he said, you're posting these because they can be found on Medium. So for example, if you go to Google and you search for site universeunriddled.com, and on my blog post, they are indexed. That means that if somebody searches for the keywords, then they can find the information they're looking for in my blog post. Then I have my affiliate link in those blog posts. Also understand that Medium does the same thing, but it's almost instant, for lack of a better way to say it. Don't lose focus here, but understand that Medium, if you post your content or your blog post on Medium, then it has a better chance of getting found because Medium has more power. Again, that's called Parasite SEO. You are utilizing the power of Medium to get indexed and ranked for stuff that you might not be able to get ranked on your own blog, or your own blog might not rank for. And this comes into learning how Google indexes your content and understanding that, yes, you still need to create your own blog. Here you see the Google Search Console for my Universe Unriddled site. And this message here, crawled currently not indexed, this means that Google knows about your pages, but they have decided that those pages aren't worthy of being indexed, so they won't show up here. But then what you can do is you can use Parasite SEO and do what he was talking about in his video, and you can post those blog posts on Medium, or technically what you want to do is you want to create a new blog post, leave your blog post up, post a new blog post on Medium, and then point that Medium blog post back to your blog post. So for example, 42 mind-blowing facts about the universe. This article on my blog is not indexed. It will not be found, but 42 mind-blowing facts about the universe on Medium that you're seeing here, if you go back and you look for Medium, it is ranked, or it is indexed with the potential to rank, with the potential for my affiliate link inside of my blog post to be found, because this Medium article right here, if you go and you read this Medium article, what I do here at the end of this Medium article to read more mind-blowing facts, visit this Universe Unriddled post. Look down in the left-hand corner, post universe-mind-blowing facts. That's the URL of my blog post that, again, if you were to go look at it, it's not indexed by Google. But I still have a blog post right here that I want to get traffic to because I have all my other posts, and I'm also selling products on my blog, as well as I have additional categories here, more information that people are going to be interested in on my blog. So again, go back to this concept. Medium, this Medium post that I posted right here, has the link to my blog. This Medium post is indexed. This Medium post is indexed right here, whereas my site's post isn't indexed. But don't lose sight of doing the right things by understanding that you need traffic, that you need to pick a topic, and he said, pick a niche, but you need to understand the tools, the technology, and the time required to create consistent content, and understand that just because you do one thing for traffic, you might need to do two things for traffic. And in this case, when you get up here to step number 9, you're going to come back down here to traffic, and you're going to say, great, now I have my blog, which is my first traffic source. Now I'm going to create a second traffic source, which is going to be Medium, and I'm going to utilize the power of Medium for things that my blog can't rank for. So go back to the chat with Gemini where I put in that URL from his video, the best way to start Google affiliate marketing for beginners. Take a look at his steps based upon him hyping up the fact you're doing Google affiliate marketing, which is just affiliate marketing. You're just utilizing Google, or you want to be able to get found on Google. And yes, you need to choose a niche. But what I do is I say, pick a topic. Then he says, select an affiliate offer. No, you need to choose a niche, pick a topic. Then you need to start creating valuable content. Then you come back around. Once you've created your valuable content on your own blog, you come back and you start distributing that content. And as he says here, you publish your blog post on platforms like Medium to reach a wider audience and improve search visibility. Just like I showed you, my blog has all that content. Some of that content is indexed. Some of that content ranks. Some of it won't get indexed. Some of it won't rank because it's not indexed, meaning it can't be found on Google if people are searching for that information. So I take that same type of information that can't or won't or isn't indexed right now, and I write the article and I post it on Medium, and then it is found because Medium is indexed, because Google loves Medium. Medium is a giant site that will get ranked, that will get found on Google. So then when you're doing Google affiliate marketing, people find the information they're looking for in your Medium article, you link back to your blog, they find the rest of your content to include your affiliate links, and this is a complete strategy, a proven strategy of making sure that you have all three pillars of a proven online business, of a profitable online business, traffic, offer, people. Then you circle back around and you say, now that I've created my blog, I'm going to enhance my traffic and give myself a better chance or double down on the chances of getting found by taking that same content and putting it up on Medium and understanding the technology of SEO and the idea and the concepts of parasite SEO and using the power of Medium to help me build out more traffic or help me build out a more solid foundation of that traffic pillar to drive more traffic back to my blog, to get more traffic up to my offer, to get more people on my email list, therefore driving all that traffic to do exactly what he's talking about in his video, but with a proven strategy and with a real roadmap for you to follow step by step by step. And if you would like to get that roadmap that I've showed you here in this video, click the link in the description and it'll take you over. You can give me your email address and you can have that roadmap and that proven strategy for free. And there's also a bonus in there that's going to show you exactly how to do Parasite SEO over at Medium. Link in the description. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.